each and everyone. I am Kimberly Asalas from BSED Science 1 and today I am going to perform a sample of a chemical solution that I am familiar with, which is a sugar and a water, in which I know that some of you are also familiar with this sample chemical solution.
But first, let me give a quick brainstorming about what is a chemical solution. It is a homogeneous mixture composed of two or more substances. In order to create a solution, we need a combination of a solute and a solvent. Solute is the substance that is to be dissolved in the solvent.
For example, sugar is the solute to be dissolved in water, which is the solvent. This type of solution is a solid liquid type. So, let's start.
So in addition, I am going to experiment this chemical solution in order to identify the factors that will affect the solubility. So, for the first factor, I'm going to test if stirring can affect the solubility. Here's two glasses that contains water, and I'm going to put sugar in both glasses. After I put this sugar in both glasses, I'm going to stir the other one and let's observe what will happen.
So, I have proven that stirring can affect the solubility because as we can see, the sugar in water that I have stirred dissolves quickly than the sugar in water that I didn't stir.
So, in addition, I am going to test if the quantity of the solute particles can affect the solubility. Here's a small amount of sugar and a larger amount of sugar. Let's see what will happen to this sugar if we put this sugar having different quantity into the water.
So, I have proven that the quantity of the solute particles really does have an effect to the solubility because as we can observe, the small amount of sugar in water dissolves quickly than the larger amount of sugar in water.
Next is, I'm going to test if the size of the solute particles has nothing to do with the solubility. So here's a small pieces of sugar and a larger pieces of sugar. Let's observe what will happen if we both put these sugars into the water.
So, I have proven that the size of the solute particles really affects the solubility because as we can see, the tiny pieces of sugar dissolves quickly than the large pieces of sugar.
And lastly, I'm going to test if the temperature of the solvent can affect the solubility. So here's a cold water and a hot water, and I'm going to put sugars in both these glasses. So let's observe what will happen.
Therefore, the temperature of the solvent also affects the solubility because as we can see, the sugar dissolves quicker in a hot water than in a cold water.
Thanks for watching till the end.